Hi everyone, we are Strawberry Sai and our project is called Morse Code Decoder. First, let's introduce our members. We have Yue Ying, Yu Xi, and Wan Yi. I'm Yue Ying. Then, we will introduce our project goals and what problems we have faced during the process and what we have come out to the result and in conclusion and future improvements. First, this project can help people communicate when other tools don't work, and like if you are going to some like if you're in a SOS and you need help and you need to but you can't let the bad people to know that you are in trouble, so you can use the Morse code, then they don't know lah. Okay, then next, the last resort communication when voice, text, or radio is unavailable. Like if you only can use nowadays we use our phone to text and communicate, right? And when we cannot use this, we can use Morse code. Yeah, it allows private communication in limited settings because many people doesn't know what this the Morse code is, the translation of Morse code. So we created this Morse code decoder, and it can help the good guys, the good people, to know that this person is talking and he needs help. Yeah.
Okay, so when we are making this project, we have faced many problems. So one of the biggest problem is that when after we decode a letter, it takes a very long time to decode the next letter. So we reset the code, like we add a code and it helps that after we decode and after a second, it can change to the next letter we want to decode. Okay, so this way that the decoder, it won't lag or it won't stuck and there won't be any problem. So finally we have managed to create a decoder that can work properly. So it won't stuck and it won't lag, and we can it can decode the correct way. So now I'm going to explain on how to use this decoder. So first you connect everything together, like the micro:bit, the boson, and then you need to connect the push button to P1 with the white string. Yeah. And then you need to push the button, example, you want to say hi, HI. So you press the push button 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then after a few seconds, it will show the letter H, and then you press 2 times again, and then it will show the letter I, so which is HI, high. So the letter, it will show on the LED screen, the 5x5 LED screen. So one thing you need to 注意 is, if you want to put a dot, you need to make sure that the time you press the button is less than 3 seconds. And if you want to put a dash, you need to press longer, you need to press over 3 seconds. So if you don't do this, the decoder, it will become confused and it can't sense properly.
Now I'm going to demonstrate on how the decoder works.
Then how our Morse code decoder works. We are going to present the word hi. That's the word H. And that's the word hi. Hi.
So in conclusion, after all of us cooperate together, we managed to complete this project, the Morse Code Decoder. We wish that this project can help people communicate easier and save ourselves during emergencies, and also allow kids to understand the structure of the codes. We think that in the future, some improvements should be made. The decoder should be able to decode a whole sentence for convenience. This way, we don't need to decode the letter one by one.
Thank you for listening.